What's up, Tumblr pizza fans? Today I'll be cooking an all-dressed pizza. I've already preheated my oven to 425. I've placed my rack on the bottom level. So let's go ahead and get our pizza on our pan. If it doesn't fit, that's okay, because we will check it once we can smell the pizza cooking. Then we can open the oven door. If any bubbles form, we will just take a knife and give them a little pop. So let's go get the pizza in the oven. Before we get it into the oven, I do need to mention this pizza does need additional cooking time, at least 30 minutes. So I'll be checking it at the 15-minute point. If you see any of the defrosting juices, I'll show you what to do. No worries. This is what my pizza looks like at the 15-minute mark. I didn't have any bubbles forming and no defrosting juice yet. So I'm going to go ahead and spin my pizza and see how it fits better here on the tray. Let's get it back in. We have a little bit of defrost juices. So I'm just going to get some paper towel and let the paper towel do its thing and put it back in the oven. We're going to put it in the oven for a total of 35 minutes for sure. So this is about 25 minutes in. This is what my pizza looks like at the 35-minute mark. I like to cook it for 40 minutes and broil for 2. And this is what my pizza looks like at the 40-minute mark, 2 minutes and some of broiling. I do like to let this pizza sit before I cut it into the tumbler squares, of course. And remember, the secret sauce, the tomato boss. Enjoy your all-dressed pizza.